Hey guys, Praveen here, and this is your PSA to use MynaUI icons. You can go to mynaui.com/icons and try it out. So this is a collection of SVG icons for your web project or mobile anything. So you can just go to mynaui.com/icons, and it's fully open source. And I'm working on next set of 100 icons that will be released soon. But yeah, go to mynaui.com icons, try it out. It has support for Shatsy anyway. It will just install it there. React, Iconify plugin, Figma files, Figma plugin, Raycast extension, SVG files, and everything. Iconify actually has like support for all the UI libraries. So Astro, Svelte, React, Vue, anything, you can just use it from Iconify, so that will be easier. And we have almost all the I'm trying to pair it with Lucid icons as an alternative to Lucid icons, but more of with my personality in it, like how I like my icon. So it has almost all the stuff that Lucid icon has, except for little things which I'm working on it again. So yeah, I'll be adding more icons this week, and just go when it has regular and solid version. So you can try it out and let me know how it goes, and let me know if you have any icon requests also. So yeah, that's it for this video. Bye bye.